V1, find the center of the circle. And the center of a circle is just what it sounds like. It's in the middle of a circle. And if you have a graph, it's super duper easy to find. You are just finding where this dot is right here. And how do you get there? You don't go over left or right any, but you go up 8. And that is the center of the circle. Same. So where is this point right here? It is at, I don't have my glasses on, 6, 8. But then we have equations. And the equation that you need to know is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is called standard form of a standard form equation of a circle. And what it is, h and k tells you where the center is. But notice that there's minus signs here. We'll have to talk about that in just a second. And your r is the radius of a circle. And we'll talk about radius in V2. So if you are given this equation, then you're looking like at the parentheses, stuff like that, like what number is with the x, what number is with the y. And in this case, there is not a number with the x, so the center would be at 0, and there's not a number with the y, so the center would be at 0, 0. Excuse me. But on this one, there is no number with the y, or basically the y is not in parentheses. But you see this negative sign? The negative sign is already there. So your h is just what your h is. Or it's the opposite of what negative 15 over 2 is. So 15 over 2 is your x and 0 is your y. Short order, you just take the opposite of it. There's not a number with the x, so it's at 0. The opposite of 1 is negative 1. The opposite of negative 1 is positive 1. The opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. And that's how you find the center, and you don't do anything else. Don't make it difficult.